How to fix your Facebook contacts not syncing in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. You can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. If that is not the case, you might also need to check your contact permission. Simply go to the settings, apps, Facebook and permissions, and then simply make sure that the phone permission is allowed right over here. If that is not the case, you might also need to enable your contact uploading by going into settings and privacy, settings and uploading contacts, and make sure this should be turned on. You can also go ahead and tap on sync contact now in the contact page. And if none of it works, you might want to simply go ahead and clear your cache if you're on Android, update your application, or at last simply restart your mobile device. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.